2013 Honda CR-V LX, 52,000 miles, RV ready. Ready to pull behind a motorhome. Senior owned, in flawless condition. Not a door ding on this vehicle. Brand new tires. Inside and outside looks like a brand new car. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Amazing condition. Tires are like new. There's the RV package and tow package ready for hookup. The vehicle is running, you can hear it. There's the switch for the RV. Cloth interior is like new. Original mats, keys, manuals, backup camera. $52,000 miles. Backup camera. As I said before, in amazing condition. Cargo area with mat protector. Not a rip, stain, tear, wear mark anywhere on this car. (2013) Honda CR-V LX, 52,000 miles, RV tow ready. In amazing condition.